Every time I post something about AI, you guys love it. That makes me happy because it means you're not falling behind like a lot of video editors right now. Remember back in the 90s when I was a baby, a lot of companies didn't believe in the internet. Guess what happened? They're gone. My point is that the same thing is happening with AI. Editing is no longer just about working in Premiere, but combining your editing skills with powerful AI tools. So I found this one called Hypernatural. Actually, it got recommended by one of you. And it lets you generate entire videos in a way that's a lot more interesting than most AI tools. The homepage has a very clean and simple look, which I absolutely love. You can start generating right away. Let's type in an ID, a cinematic story about a guy called Simon. He invented an engine powered by tap water, but no one believed in him, they hated and rejected him, and Simon never gave up and eventually proved them wrong. No idea where that came from. Next, you can choose an aspect ratio. If you want this video to be vertical, pick 9:16. Then you can also pick a length. Let's choose a short. And this is where it gets interesting. You can add characters. You can pick a character that already exists, or you can create your own one, like I did. I'll show you how to do that soon. Anyway, besides that, you can also pick a video style. I'll pick the 3D animation style. Kind of feels like Disney Pixar. Alright, then click the generate button and that will open up this window. This is where Hypernatural will create a script for you. I mean, it will literally write your story. Feel free to go through it or even adjust something if you want. But now, since this is a story, we need a narrator. On top, you can again choose one of Hypernatural's voices, or you can choose your own voice. Again, I'll show you how to add your own voice to Hypernatural in just a moment. You can also still adjust the style and aspect ratio in here if you'd like. Since Hypernatural wrote the story, it added extra characters to the story, which you can also review and change if you'd like. Alright, now at the bottom you can see the length of the story, and if you click it, you can make it shorter or longer. Let's try shorter. Boom. It's that simple, and you can keep doing that as many times as you want. When you're satisfied, click on Make Video. Let Hypernatural do its thing, and once it's ready, you'll be sent to the workspace. This is where you can watch your video, and at the bottom you'll see all the scenes, kinda like a timeline. Hey, that's me, a Pixar version of myself. I mean, that's cool. On the top right, you'll see a button called Full Motion. If you click that, Hypernatural will animate all the scenes, or the ones you selected. I'm curious what it will look like animated, so let's put it in full screen.
In a world of endless possibilities, Simon harbored a secret. An idea so radical, so simple, it defied belief. He envisioned an engine powered not by fossil fuels, but by the very essence of life.
Okay, that is absolutely amazing. If you're a video editor and if you're seeing this and if you're still saying that you don't need to use AI, you're gonna be like one of those companies back in the 90s. You are gonna fall behind. All kidding aside, this looks amazing. Oh, by the way, with the free plan, you can create unlimited 30-second stock videos with narration, so feel free to try it out and see if you like it. Now, in this workspace, you can still adjust your entire video. You can change the entire style. I mean, look at how many different styles there are. You have tons of options. You can add captions. They are already generated in the background, so you don't have to wait for them. And you can select the location and adjust the size as well. Then if you scroll down, you'll find an endless amount of animated captions that you can choose from. Just pick one you like and there you go. You can always go back and forward between these settings, by the way. Then of course you can also add a branding to your video, but that's not needed for me. Next, you can also change the script if you like, but also the characters are still changeable. Not a problem at all. And then of course you can also work on the audio of your video. You can mix the volumes of the voiceover and the music, and if you want you can add other stock music, browse a lot of different genres, and what I love most is that you can browse for a mood as well. And of course you can also upload your own audio. Everything is possible. Then of course you'll also have the regenerate button right here at the bottom. Alright, next I'm gonna show you how to add your own characters to Hypernatural. First, go to My Videos on top. Here you will find your characters you created, your products, your styles, and your voices. Let's start with the characters. So I already have 2 versions of myself. Let's create another one. All you gotta do is upload a picture of yourself. There you go. And then give it a name. And click on Generate Character. Now you'll see some previews of what your character could look like. I mean, isn't that amazing? Next, choose a voice for your character. Again, you can choose from Hypernatural's voices, or you can pick your own voice. 1 second. I'll show you how to do that. When that's done, you can check the general character settings, and when you're satisfied, click Create Character. And there you go. Now it's ready to use. Products are something else. In here, I have an IKEA plant, which is just a picture I snapped with my phone. Now let's take a look at the styles. I already created one with a picture of my studio. That way I can generate videos in my real life environment, but I want to create a cartoon version as well. Just click New Style, and this time, let's create one from a prompt. I want my style to look a little like those 2000s Nickelodeon cartoons. Kinda like Fairly Odd Parents. I love that as a kid. So this is the prompt that I think will get me close. Let's give it a name, something like 2000s cartoon style, and then click on Generate Style. Man, I can't wait to see the result. There you go. That looks very much like Fairly Odd Parents. We're gonna make a video using this style in a second. Now I want to show you how to add your own voice. I already have one of myself, but let's create another one. Click New Voice and give it your name. Then click the Record button and start reading this text out loud. It doesn't have to be this text, but it can be anything. And when you're done, click Next, and then you can check if it sounds like you. Now click Generate Voice, and boom! Ready to use. Before we generate another video, you can also go to the Explore tab and see if you find some inspiration in here. You can see all the different styles in detail, and to use these styles, you must select them. And now we're gonna make another video. Let's write another prompt in here. By the way, you can just type add and then the name of your character you created. You can also click the add right here and pick a style. Let's choose our cartoon style, of course. And then obviously let's not forget our IKEA plant. Continue prompting, and this is the entire prompt I came up with. I want this video to be long form, so let's set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then click the Generate button. Alright, now all you gotta do is double check if all your settings are complete, just like you learned before. Check if the script is exactly how you want it, and then click Make Video. There you go. Alright, it's not even animated yet, and it already looks amazing. Look, there's my IKEA plant. Nice! Now, before we animate it, we're gonna check if all the images are correct. Right here, you have a character that's supposed to look like me, but it doesn't. So to fix that, select it and click Edit. In here, type in whatever you want to change, or type in an entire new prompt. Then click Generate Image, and there I am. Amazing! Now, you don't always have to do this. The first picture is also another character, not me, but I just wanted this to be a close-up of the alarm clock. Anyway, so if I select it, then go to Design, you can further customize it in here. Simply increase the size and position so that only the clock is in frame. Now that we're here, you can also change, add, or remove transitions in between the images. You can also adjust the animations in your video, and when you're done and everything is ready, it's time to add our animations. Click Full Motion, make sure all your pictures are selected, and then click Add Motion. Now let Hypernatural do its thing, and when it's done, you'll have a 2000s cartoon video. I mean, how awesome is that? Now, if you want to check out Hypernatural, I'll leave a link down below that allows you to get 10% off. And when you make a purchase, I make a small commission from your payment. Just wanted to be open and let you know. Thank you guys so much for watching.